morning. I just wanted to share with you my first trade of the day. There may be more coming, I don't know, but this was one I wanted to share with you because it's about something I've been working on. I took the trade based on a little strategy that I've been working on, and it seemed to work out this morning, so I want to share. Okay, so the strategy, as you know, I've been talking about this. I haven't really. This might be the first time I've actually traded it successfully. I've been noticing it, wanting to trade it, but haven't quite had a chance until today. So basically, the strategy is to find an uptrending stock. And in this case, we've got gold, which is in a strong uptrend. Um, Put in yeah, maybe take a 3 or 5 minute, maybe take a 3 minute chart and draw in a trend line, which I've done here. And the wicks don't have to touch it exactly every time, but just to get the basic idea here of the most touches you can. So I'd put the trend line in here. So we've got touches here, 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 and some here too. Okay, the next thing you want to do, and this is sort of the new thing that I've been experimenting with, is you want to find maybe like go to a 15 or maybe a 5, somewhere in there, and you want to find a launch area, an area where when price comes as originally started strong from a specific area like this huge bar right here, and then find maybe 2 3 more touches of that area where price is bumped up from it. So in this case, I noticed that we had this launch point right here. We had a back test of that and then a strong bounce off it here, and then even had a little something here, although I wasn't really looking at. But then this one also, which was down here, really was. So basically, what you want to do is trying to take the average of those and see if you can get it, the most touches. So, and it's a zone. It's not a to the decimal. It's just a zone. So that was the idea there, and and then the third thing you're looking for, well, okay, well, number one, you're looking for an apex, right? So the first two things you're looking for are um, so I'll do this in blue so you can kind of differentiate. You're looking for a meeting of these two lines, okay? Apex of the triangle, all right? So you're looking for that. But you're also, in addition to that, and I find this makes it stronger, is you're looking for that to happen on or around the half hour mark. So 6:30 was right here, and this is a 5 minute chart. So 6:30 was right here. So it kind of met the standard, right? Because you had this a horizontal support level where you had strong buying off this horizontal support. You had buying off this diagonal support, which in this case is a trend line. Sometimes you can use an EMA also. That could qualify. Uh, what you're looking for is diagonal support. Anything that's shown to provide diagonal support. So that's two things. That's your apex of your triangle, right? And then the third thing is time of day. You want it to be around a half hour mark. Now it could be 5 minutes before, it could be 5 minutes after, but you want it to be right around that half hour mark. So let me put it to the 1 minute so you can kind of see this better. So um, I I had marked this area here as a potential point because here's 6:30 right here. Here's the horizontal level meeting the. You get the picture. I don't have to totally drive it. But anyway, this is the area that I had marked out. So price did kind of rush down here and put in a little bit of a hammer here, and it started to bounce, and so I got it here. Okay, and I got in right there at let's see what I got here. 72.88. I always pay up because there's a spread. So I got 72.88, and that was right. Wow, it really paid up for the spread. Paid up high. But anyway, so that's where I put it. And I came up here, and it came up to this kind of high level, and I thought it was stalling, so I moved my stop up just below the level where it was trading, and it kind of reversed real hard and stopped me out. So basically, but I made about a little over almost 1,100 on that one. But because it's gold, I have to pay commissions and I had a 20 lot, so I had to pay like 120 in commission. So basically, I got $940 out of that trade. But still, it was a really good trade. And then it just kind of, it kind of went up and reversed on me real quick. But I thought it had potential to go a lot higher actually, but because of the fact that it was the apex of the triangle. But the thing is, it's still really early in the morning. It was only 6:30 a.m. New York time, just like 3 hours before the market opens. So it's just sort of the end of the London or middle or the end of the London session. So basically, that's it. Though. That's the explanation of the trade. I'm really glad that it worked out. It sort of supports my developing theory about this apex theory that I'm kind of working on here, where you're using diagonal support and you're using horizontal support, and you are finding a time of day support also to get these moves up. So anyway, this one worked out okay, and hopefully there'll be more where that came from.